So you've got the loot, but the hardest part of any job is getting out and not getting caught. And this guy is gonna make sure that you don't.
Security! Hold it right there, asshole!
Now we got a situation, and it's all because of this $5 an hour rent-a-gun. Some genius has decided to give this piece of shit a gun. So what are you gonna do?
Use the 9mm argument. That's real persuasion.
If you listen to this guy, you'll be surrounded by bodies and cops. Personally, I would think about taking a hostage.
Hands where I can see him.
Okay, now you're in business.
Drop your weapon.
That's right. The kid's got smarts.
Thank you, Mr. Orange. You'll be elevated to crowd control duties in no time. Some dumb fucker set up the alarm and the cops are on their way.
Freeze!
Oh shit, my son is a filthy cop.
Sorry, Daddy. They offered me a pension.
Now, cops are a bit different from your dime a dozen security guards. But if you've got a hostage, you can order the cops around just like anybody else.
Can I just threaten him too?
Well, these boys are trained to deal with pillars of the community such as ourselves. Thankfully, roughing up a hostage will encourage even a hard-ass cop to drop his weapon. Luckily for you, these guys are still rookies, wet behind the ears. And it won't take much persuasion.
Freeze, motherfucker. This is a fucking robbery. Hey, give me a break, man. Drop the damn gun. Over my dead body? Hey, quit dragging me. Drop your weapon. No fucking way, asshole! Hey, fucking drop your fucking gun. Drop your weapon.
No way. It's there, right? If you let your hostage go.
Hands where I can see him.
Hey, fuck you.
Ow, that was...
You can't do shit without bullets. Don't get used to this, kid.
Put the gun on the ground.
Not gonna happen, kid.
Spread him, bitch.
No way, kid. No guns this time. Oh!
Drop the damn gun.
As much as it pains for you to see my own flesh and blood fail so spectacularly, you did good. Some dumb fucker set up the alarm and the cops are on their way.
Freeze!
Oh shit, my son is a filthy cop.
Sorry, Daddy. They offered me a pension.
Now, cops are a bit different from your dime a dozen security guards. But if you've got a hostage, you can order the cops around just like anybody else.
Can I just threaten him too?
Well, these boys are trained to deal with pillars of the community such as ourselves. Thankfully, roughing up a hostage will encourage even a hard-ass cop to drop his weapon. Luckily for you, these guys are still rookies, wet behind the ears. And it won't take much persuasion.
Hold it right there, cocksucker. I mean it, I'll fill him full of paint. Drop your weapon. Move it. I'm going. Drop it, shithead.
No way. It's there.
Put the gun on the ground.
As much as it pains me to see my own flesh and blood fail so spectacularly.
Alright. Get the controls down a little bit better.
Now these chumps are weaponless and have nowhere to go. Unfortunately, if you don't keep your eye on them, they'll grab their guns and come looking for you. You know the deal, kid. Get them up against the wall.
Get over there.
I'm going.
Over there. Okay. Up against the wall. Stand still.
That should stop them coming after you. All you need to do now is watch out for reinforcements. Not a bad day's work, kid. Remember all that and the job will go like clockwork. Any fuck-ups, and I'll find you responsible. I'm hungry. Eddie, tidy this place up.
Is that a fucking setup or what?
Fucking right.
Shit. Orange got tagged?
Good shot.
This is fucked up. This is so fucked up. Somebody fucked us up big time, man.
You really think we were set up?
You even doubt it, man? I don't think we got set up. I know we got set up. I mean, really, seriously, where'd all those cops come from, huh?
One minute they're not there, the next minute they're there. I didn't hear any sirens.
Nobody fucking move!
Fuck this. What's Mr. Blue doing?
Leave him. He can handle himself.
Hey, listen. Yeah, you.
Alright, we're gonna put a nice little pause right here. Catch y'all on the flip.